Hi guys, welcome back. Around the beginning of 2019, I put out a video on how to color a betta fish. A little bit about this picture, I bought a vector off of RF123 and it was only like a dollar or two, it wasn't much. And I went to coloring the fish. And I thought it came out good for the time, for my skill level, and I made my video. Well, push it forward to almost 2022. Could you believe it? Only a couple of weeks until 2022. I decided to revisit this fish and redo it. And here is the picture that I drew from that first original vector. And here is the vector that was the original vector. So they're close. I changed it slightly. I added in a little bit here and there just to make the picture my own. When I originally started coloring this fish this time around, I wanted to make it an emerald. You know, as I got through the basic coloring, the emerald sort of started to bore me. And it was just, felt like it was just becoming monotonous, just using all the green pencils. So I decided to add in a little bit of orange. And when I added in the orange, well, that worked out pretty nice. Well, I liked where it was going with the green and the orange. After a while, it started to remind me of a tomato, and I stopped feeling it really quick. Then I thought to myself, what about adding a little bit of red? So I added a little bit of red, and I started to like it again. But, you know, green and red and orange kind of remind me of, I don't know, maybe a Christmas tree, or that it needed more. The fish was speaking to me at this point, or I was getting tired, one or the other. So I started to add a little bit of blue. And the blue that I chose to use was Midnight Blue, mostly because I hadn't used it yet. New set, new color pencil. And I chose Midnight Blue originally for this set because it is a gorgeous color for night sky. That's where I originally picked this color from, because you could do the most kick-ass night skies with that pencil. And it's 77 MP. As I moved on, I started thinking to myself, what if I add in a little bit of purple? So I picked up 84 MP, and that's just your run-of-the-mill purple. And I started adding that in with a little bit of the jeweled purple. Now, those are two different colors, and one is darker than the other, and I sort of went back and forth with each one of them, and it started looking good. So while this isn't coming out the way it was originally supposed to come out in my head, I liked it. And of course, what do you have to add in once you've added in the whole entire rainbow? You got to add in your black to make everything pop. So we finished the tail. Now what? So now I have to do the body. I had drawn in some of the scales earlier on in the picture just to test to see different techniques on how to render them. And I really like some of the pictures that I saw, but they didn't have the scales all over the fish, and I like that. You only grab onto what the light grabs onto. So I put some on the top and I put some on the end. And now it's just a matter of creating the body using your pencils, and just like you do a cylinder. Very easy. You put the dark on the outside, the light on the inside, grab the highlight in the middle, and you're done. So the colors that I'm choosing to use, I used first chartreuse, and then I grabbed Outrage, and that is 82 MP. And combining the two of them is a beautiful combination. And then I just kept on going. Now you can see that I'm doing circular strokes. That's to keep I don't want to burnish this area. What I'm trying to do is keep the texture of the paper. And usually I don't go with this technique or idea about using the texture on the paper. I usually burnish the heck out of it. But in this case, it was such a nice texture that it simulated the scales of the fish, even when I didn't have to draw them in. I'll let you take a look at this. everything is on the fish that's going to be on the fish. The only thing I have left is to add a little bit of highlight using a white pencil going across the fins and down the center of the actual fish body. Very simple. I enjoyed doing this. It was one night I watched YouTube and I colored. Very relaxing. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.